Hello again, I'm Destina. I have discussed 3 steps to prepare before you start writing a thesis report. And now, I will talk about tips and tricks during the process of thesis writing. I have some tips and tricks that you can do. The first tips is chunk your writing target. As following your thesis timeline, make a smaller target into weekly and daily. You can't think of a whole thesis report at once, so chunk your big target into smaller part. The second tips, write as you go. So writing thesis report takes time and effort. Spread the writing activities during the period that you have left rather than rushing at the end of your candidacy. The third tips is maintain consistency. Consistency is very important in thesis writing. Be consistent in your writing style, also consistent in the tone of your writing, and also in the voice of your writing. The next tips, get feedback. Other than from your supervisor, it is good to once at a time share your writing with your colleague and ask for feedback. But I'm not suggesting doing it too often, since you might get mixed up with so many inputs coming to your way. Next, learn from others. Learn from other people's works or experiences can help you to get insights for your thesis writing. The next tip that is also very important, maintain good communication with your supervisors. Communication is very important, especially when it comes to thesis supervision. I'm going to try to share my experience here. In my first day of meeting with my supervisor, we discussed the way to communicate and doing the supervision. In my experience, we maintain bi-weekly meeting, and I always email prior to the meeting and what is the achievement and what I expect on the meeting. And also, after the meeting, I again email my supervisor to give the summary on what we have discussed and on the supervision session. By doing this, it helped my supervisor to keep a track of my works, since they are very busy people. Also, if we miss anything, we can always able to refer back to the email, since all are well documented. If you have further questions, write in the comments column. Thank you for watching the video and good luck for your thesis writing. And also remember that UIII admission open for the academic year 2023-2024, and you can check in the link below. Thank you.